Hello, I'm going to do the internationalization puzzles. Yeah, I haven't done this yesterday, so do this today. Um, Copy the input first. Make sure that everything's correct. Yep. Um, so the input is just bunch of characters and spaces. I don't know, maybe no spaces at the end. Okay, bunch of characters only. And given this test input, no, Unicode passwords. Most websites that accept password have some requirement. For example, limit you look include at least one digit, at least one capital letter. The idea is that if you pick passwords from last set of possible characters, the password will be harder to crack. Using broadcast method is much harder to express the include digit, uppercase, lowercase, instead of just lowercase letter. You wonder why website don't encourage you to use SML because it would definitely increase the possibility even further. Unicode is boon for strong password. Okay, here we look at what such a password. Remember this top left, yeah. Because he worked at top desk, I guess. Has decided to introduce new Unicode-based password coming. At least 4, at most 12, at least one digit, at least one uppercase letter, with or without accent. At least one lowercase letter, with or without accent. At least one character that is outside the standard 7-bit. Wait, 7-bit is this guy. 7-bit means 128. This is 127. Yeah, it must be less than 127 then. First part is invalid because it's too short. Second is too long. Third has no uppercase. Fourth has no lowercase. Fifth has no character outside 7-bit ASCII. 6 has no digit. 7 and 8 parts are valid. I think we decided to relate how number of valid parts is okay. Let's just use this for test, and the answer would be to for line in puzzle. Let's do street first, if anything, but we don't actually need that actually. So the first rule is that line must be less than most 12, and it must be at least 4. At least 4. Okay. Okay, this is one requirement, and must has digit. It is. If not, okay, we do this. Yes. And then has digit. How to do this? We have in. No, where's my AC digits? Map list in of string integers. Let's just try. If it's integers line nums is equal to integers line, if not nums, continue print nums. Let's try run. So my nums it is detected once. Only that guy, no digit. This digits, no digits. Yes, okay. Then it's fine. Okay, then if no uppercase, no lowercase, at least one character is outside the standard. Can we do let's spawn 2025, let's spawn interpreter and pick a line for C inline, print or C. Yeah, that's fine. At least one character that is outside. If any, let's let's go. If not any, or C less than 128 or C inline 28. So more than 127. Right. If any and not, this is the rule. It must contain one. And then if not, continue. Okay. And then uppercase and lowercase. Let's do this count plus one. This is P1. Uppercase and lowercase. I think we can C is upper, continue, and then if lower, let's just try. Okay, we get 2, which is fine. And let's try it. 509. Yes. Okay. So this C upper and its lower function is really good. Let's just research a bit how to determine uppercase letters outside Unicode. Unicode code charts. We have uppercase, and then what is about the Latin? I mean, like without this function, I don't even know. I know the ASCII table lists this range of uppercase and lowercase. But then outside of that, accent letter. Character charts. Okay, so we have this. Next, HKKLL. Okay, yeah, I get that. Yeah, so it's basically that. All right, then. Good puzzle for D3. We will just waiting for another 50 minutes for D4. Ciao, ciao.